Mbona mana ike mteke na kwa mwana video nungwe na kwa dine na deibua au deibua so yana neshaze mwezi kuyo wuni ni diyo watana de video mwa hii ni diyo watano yo wate ya no denke ime kesho na itili ya hiyo bani cho yuku na comment section biko una comment zini hetu logo nogo let your comment be simple and direct to the point, simple and so that kodi easy ego. Because most times someone who has some comment now for like this, or you keep a problem because I'm busy. And the most times all these things, if you do not reply to that comment or man for another one, I'm better. That is just the proof. That's why most times I try to clear those comments like Habadana, so that another one but I won't email a man for. That is just it. You gotta go. So your comment should be simple and direct to the point. Na tongo ya mozo mcho yuko na video also sia kanchole yuko so neneno this video correct one.
But wait, when you even talk about they cause somebody and somebody somewhere is trying to uncause the cause, they said they cause to the person even though there was no cause. I thought they said that Evangelist Ebuka is fake. What is fake? What is fake we fail. What is real we fake. I mean, what is fake we fake. If Evangelist Ebuka is fake and RNG, why are you guys scared of course? Even when he never even do the cursing. Are you guys feeling me? If indeed that you guys are sure, you are sure that he's fake, you guys shouldn't be scared of any cause from him. If he's fake, definitely whatever cause he might try to lay to the person, you're not gonna work. There's no way it's gonna work. If indeed that he's fake and deep in your mind you are sure that he's fake, like you told your congregation. That's not a marriage. What is fake we fake. Mpaina contradict is go. You are not contradicting yourself. I wish it's not making any sense to me. You know? You are contradicting yourself. Why can't you see this? I mean, just reason with me. I mean, reason with me. No. If he's fake, like you said, you shouldn't be scared of anything cause coming from him, because definitely it's not gonna work. But you know that there is fire here, fire there. Fire here, fire there, everywhere fire. Why are you guys scared of cause? Even though he never even caused anybody. I was thinking about it this evening after my dinner. They said Evangelist Ebuka is fake, right? If indeed that he's fake like they said, why is somebody somewhere scared of cause and trying to uncause the cause they said they caused to somebody, even though there was no cause? Ndale defend again no kwara hewe ho boro hewe hu uche ihe no hanisi u konkom like empty konkom no cha hanisi ihe no hanisi u okpa nsuka with too much ose or ihe no hanisi. If not, the handwriting is there for everyone to see. That's why sometimes when we talk about jealousy, enviness, we know what we're talking about. No matter how you try to hide it, it's there. If Evangelist Ebuka is fake and RNG, why are you guys scared of a cause from somebody you know that is fake? If it's fake, definitely no cause gonna work from him to the said man, even though he never cursed anyone. I don't know where you guys are getting that from. But the point I'm trying to raise, since he's arranged and fake, like you said, why are you scared of curse and rush to uncurse? Hey! Enugu State. Enugu Sukwanu Dike. Sukwanu Dike because Sukwanu Dike. Oh, that's not fake. As is in that, of course, from money. You shouldn't be bothered because the course not gonna work since he's fake. But you know who he is. And you know, that's why you're trying to. Bye. This is me to you. Bye. This is me to you. Then me to you guys. You know what it means? I you guys. Rubbish. Who was attacking him last year, Lenten period? Where he was saying, ministry, ministry. I saw for Trafancha, I saw Kutarafancha. Mpai zukwanike. Onye no kufo. Ai mo onye ona agba. Even onye ona agba ekwu ode pim. Onye ọ na-agwa Jos na ọkwa ka nwa atụrụ a na-akpụchasị aji ọ na-ekwu. So Mpai, I don't know. Mpai zukwa n'ike. Like, the thing is that sometimes when I think about this whole issue, this whole thing is like, it's trying to drive me crazy. You know? I don't know if you guys think that all of us are stupid on this social media. You guys think that all of us, especially somebody like me, I'm not stupid on this social media. In fact, I will not take my time, make investigation, make video, like counter whatever that is going on social media. Maybe do a grassroots, bop see everything. One after the other. Go on and count and see evidence of the video. Go on and count and see evidence of the video. You guys in a post to video us in a no go actually email and we attack and actually John ya last year, keduye na atu ya last year ho na say obokwa nsata ga okwu ijeme ministry obokwa nsata ga okwu ijeme ministry a lot of things. Because of the assault Trafancha, Ebenka. I am of Trafancha, I am a bidonea kuwe of Trafancha. I don't want to say a lot of things. I don't want to say some certain things. You know, I don't want to say some certain things. But the question I'm asking and what I want to know is who gave the order? Who gave the fucking order? Who gave the order? Why is the commissioner of sports not saying anything? Why is the governor of Enugu State not saying anything on all this allegation? That is what I'm more interested in. We all are not stupid on this social media, you know. I will always say that. We are not stupid, someone like me. So, some of you that are posting that video, this and that, come on, get out of here and use your head. Stupid. One idiot na be send me an inbox. Do I look so daft like you guys out there? Nonsense.